I was sent this deep conditioning, hydrating hair mask for my review, and I'm excited to open it up and check it out. I love to see how these smell. I love to feel the texture on them as well. This one here, I love that on the side they kind of break it down for you and tell you how to use it. So when you have damp hair, after you've washed your hair, depending on what you are looking to do, if you have really damaged hair and you're looking for like intense deep treatment, you want to leave this on for 7 to 15 minutes, and you want to do this 2 to 3 times a week. If you're just looking for like maintenance and protection, you want to do this once a week, leave it in for about 5 minutes. And if you're just looking for some regular hydration for your hair, you want to do this you want to leave it in for 5 to 7 minutes, and you want to also do it 2 to 3 times a week. So yeah, that is awesome. I love the ingredients in here. You know, you've got your wheat protein, you've got your collagen, you've got your coconut oil, you have your argan oil, you have your keratin. I mean, all of the good things that we love for our hair is definitely in here. So let's go ahead and check it out. I do also always love their packaging. I love the colors. I'm loving this golden purple, very eye-catching, really pretty for sure. And yeah, let's just open this up, check it out, give it a smell. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Oh, that is probably one of the best smelling leave-in conditioners I have ever smelled. Or not like a leave-in conditioner, it's like a deep conditioning. So remember, you're gonna wanna leave it in for, depending on how long, but like up to about 15 minutes, and then you're gonna wanna rinse it off. But wow, I wish you could smell this. This smells so good. And let's go ahead and feel. I just want to rub this all over my body. It is not a lotion. It is a conditioner. Smells fantastic. I cannot wait to get into the shower and try this. I know that my hair is just going to be so hydrated and smelling fantastic. This is great.